I got to set up the Murphy bed, and we have a new mattress, Body Fuel. There's something about a bed in a box that it's awesome. All right, let's get the Murphy frame down. Body Fuel, unboxed. I never know which way to start. Well, seems like that's the easiest way to roll from now when I pull this. And whatever this is, I'm going to discuss it after. Here we go, I think it's happening. Oh yeah. Now it looks like, can you hear that? Listen. Ooh, I like that feel at first glance. There's always so much plastic with mattresses. Breathe, Body Fuel, breathe. Now the recommendation is to let it breathe for at least an hour or so before you lay down on it. But at least you still get it same day. I like that. All right, we'll try it out for a few days, weeks, whatever it takes. Get a good sleep on, and then we will get back to you. What's going on, sleep enthusiasts? Ross here with another exciting mattress review. Today we're diving into a newcomer into the bed and box world, the Body Fuel mattress. First off, I want to say a big shout out to Mandy in Sherbrooke. Remember when we reviewed the dual-sided Haven mattress? Well, I asked if there was anyone out there with any dual-sided options, and Mandy came through. She loves her Body Fuel. She put us onto this flippable mattress. We appreciate that. Thanks, Mandy. Now let's talk about what makes Body Fuel so unique. This isn't just another mattress in a box. It's got some features that really make it stand out from the crowd. Now, a big selling point here is the options. Body Fuel offers 3 options: all firm, all plush, or half and half. That's right, you can get a mattress that's firm on, say, the driver's side and plush on the passenger side, like this one here. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. And for me and Amy, wow, I'll break it down for you. I'm all about the left side where it's nice and firm, and Amy likes that right side, which is springy, based on how it's set up right now. See, we have the label for Body Fuel at the foot of the bed, and based on this setup, the firm is on the left, and the squishier side, which you can see I'm sinking down on the end here, that's on the right. So when you're looking at it from the foot of the bed, you'll see the Body Fuel label right there, right? This is the firm side. This is the plush side. On the same side of the mattress. Gotta love that. We have a little bit of a predicament because Amy has to sleep on the left side of the bed. That's her go-to. She has to sleep on the left side of the bed. Do you have a spouse or significant other or someone that has to sleep on the left side of the bed? I'll tell you what. When we first got together, we stayed up all night because I passed out on the left side of the bed. And she just watched YouTube and reruns and whatever else all night. All night. She stayed up all night. True story. So I didn't find out until several days later that she has to sleep on the left side of the bed. And she wasn't comfortable enough to bring that up to me or even wake me or push me or do whatever else after we started dating. So Yeah, it's quite an interesting thing. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know if you've got any interesting quirks like that going on with your relationship. But anyway, back to it. The Body Fuel hybrid mattress. So for us, in order to have it work for us, and we've laid on it, we've slept on it, I have to turn the mattress around so that way the firmness is going to be on the right side and the bouncy, springy. This is when the mattress is flipped over. So now this is the firm side. This is the plush side. You can see how that's a lot firmer on this side now. And that's really still plush and soft and springy. Ross, Amy, cushiony side is going to be on the left for her. That plush side, I guess you want to call it. So let's break down the specs a little bit. The Body Fuel is a 14-inch mattress here. It's a hybrid mattress. Pretty interesting construction. The cover is made of that soft to touch polyester blend. Inside you've got 3 layers of foam. And the firm side, you're looking at like a 2-inch layer of high density foam. This provides that support for the back and stomach sleepers that they often crave. Now, I've slept on this thing. I already know I'm going to have a problem because, you know what? Amy needs to have that quirky left side of the bed. So like I explained, that's how we made it work for us. So yeah, I was actually quite interested because if Amy didn't like that plush side, what would we do at that point? So we were able to make it work for us by just twirling it around, like I said. For me, I find that plush side a little springy, right? Because the hybrid mattress design contains not only the coils, but also the foam. So at the end of the day, it's what's gonna work best for you, but at least Body Fuel has lots of options for you here. Not only that, this thing is a 2-sided mattress. It's flippable. There's not a lot of 2-sided flippable mattresses out there, let alone mattresses that have 2 different comfort zones on one level. Seems like a lot of special features here trying to, you know, get out to a wide range of people. Not for you, no problem. Flip it over and then you've got that plush side with a 2-inch layer of memory foam. Offers the classic sink-in feel that many side sleepers love. Now, I've tried both sides, and for me personally, I'm a back and side sleeper. I can deal with either one, with the exception of the plush side on the right. I have to have that firmer side on the left. Now, in the middle, there's a 6-inch layer of high-density support foam. This acts as the foundation, providing durability and preventing you from bottoming out, regardless of which side that you're sleeping on. Now, one thing I want to point out, and always aim to give you the full picture, is that the mattress isn't marketed as organic or eco-friendly. If those are top priorities for you, you might want to look for some other options we've reviewed. But if you're after a flippable mattress that offers great customization, the Body Fuel is definitely worth considering. I'm a back and side sleeper. Plus I have a seat mat machine, so keep in mind, I have a hose from the top of my head coming over here to the seat mat machine, so that ideally it all works for me on the right side. No problem. But that's just me. You gotta figure out what you're gonna like. That's important. Oh. Let's talk about some pros. First off, the customization is a big win. Whether you prefer plush or you want the option to switch between the two, Body Fuel's got you covered. This is great for those who aren't quite sure what firmness level they prefer, or for couples with different sleep preferences. The flippable design also adds to the mattress's longevity. By being able to rotate and flip your mattress, you can distribute wear more evenly over time. All Canadian and top materials with the cooling design, so it's going to keep you cool overnight, and even at resting temperatures, it's actually going to be cooler to the touch a degree or two than your normal room temperature. Now that is special. Another plus point, Body Fuel is positioned as a budget-friendly option, which is always good news for your wallets. Now for the cons. As a newer company, there aren't a ton of reviews out there yet. Also, while customization options aren't great, some sleepers might find them all firm or all plush options are a bit one-dimensional compared to mattresses with more complex layering systems. In terms of sleep experience, the firm side should provide you good support for your back and stomach sleepers, while the plush side offers that pressure-relieving sink for side sleepers. The all-foam construction should also do a decent job at motion isolation, which is good news for those with restless partners. One thing to note, as with many all-foam mattresses, you might not get the same level of edge support or bounce that you'd find in a hybrid or inner spring mattress. Something to keep in mind for those of you who find that important to you. To wrap it up, Body Fuel mattresses bring some interesting features to the table, particularly with its flippable design and firmness option. While it may not be the most eco-friendly option out there, it could be a great choice for those who value customization and affordability in their mattresses. Feel that balance. Remember, the best mattress for you is the one that gives you the great night's sleep. If you're intrigued by the Body Fuel, it might be worth giving it a try. As always, you get that great 120 night sleep trial. That's dynamite. So you can make sure that the fit is for you. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and for more mattress insights. And of course, help the algorithm pump out the information for you so you can get it, and turn your notifications on so that, you know what, you're gonna get notified when the next video drops. And hey, if you've tried Body Fuel yourself, drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear about it, what your experience has been and how you felt it. And you know, maybe yours is similar to the situation of mine and Amy's. Like, sometimes it takes a little bit to figure it out. Until next time, I'm Ross, wishing you sweet dreams and comfortable nights on another Ross's Friendly Mattress review. See you on the next one.